Good evening, friends. I hope all of you had a good trading day today. Let us look at how market behaved. Before that, I just wanted to speak about the India VIX. In the next video, I would share how we can look at India VIX and trade, understand the VIX, the sentiment of the market, how it is related to the index, and how we can trade the same. Uh, Today, I think there is, if you notice, the uh, before we go into our stock market, I just like to take you all into our market, how it has been uh, behaving, and the global market. Let's look at the global market. Uh, this is a major indices. Uh, So if you see the major indices, Dow Jones relatively has been positive. Most of the indices are flat to positive as of today. And if you look at the daily charts of the Dow Jones and Nasdaq, uh, it has been actually negative biased. Whereas if you look at our market, it has sustained to a large extent. Today, Nifty found a doji. If you look at Bank Nifty, there was some fall, and in fact, we were able to capitalize the same in Nifty and Fin Nifty as well. So, what are the stock? What are the positions we traded? Let us have a look at it. Uh, we we traded Fin Nifty 19450 33, and we were expecting targets of 50, where we were able to trade twice, where I was trailing stop loss. We were trading with the stop loss, and we were able to capture about 44, almost about 15 points in the same. And there were these are the stock option calls which are shared. We had shared Tata Consumer 840 put, which did not come trigger, and Bharti Airtel and Lupin. We had also shared Dr. Reddy's 5,000 call once the price moves above 70 or from below it crosses 70, we were looking at targets of 95. This made a high of 92. And we had also shared one more that was, I think, Trend 1700 call. We had shared if this moves above 43. These trades were shared before the market opens on the YouTube. And if we share that if it moves above 43, we were looking at 65, 70 plus. We also had traded 143 800 put from 270. This made a high of 350. So these were the trades for tomorrow. These are the trades we're looking at. We are looking at Fin Nifty. If this 19500 call moves above 76, then we are expecting targets of 95, 115 plus. If 19550 put moves above 82, then we are looking at targets of 122 plus. If you look at the market, how it has been trading, the Fin Nifty, it has formed a descending triangle and looks to possibly on the looks to move above on the upside. So if this level of 19570, if Fin Nifty moves above these levels along with other indices giving a positive movement, then we can look at targets of 19640 to 19700 levels. On the downside, if price uh, does not sustain above levels and remains below 19500 to 19470 or so, then we might see market moving towards 194 21 to 19 380 levels. So these are the levels we are looking at most possibly. This is the trade, the price action. If only if the price does not move here in this pattern and starts coming down, then I might even look for targets upside. But if price moves in a different pattern, it creates a chart pattern where I'm not convinced for the long side. I'm looking at the shorts for targets of 19479 also. So basis the patterns we would look to trade. Let us look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty today gave us good profit on the bear side. Uh, in fact, I think the first few minutes, this is what happened. It traded in a range, and then gave a big short, and we missed out this rally because we were looking at futures primarily, and this pattern create a bit of a confusion, and we were not able to capitalize. But eventually we did trade 43,800 put and made about 30, 40, 50. We shared about our subscribers able to trade about 50 plus points. So overall positive, very range boundish kind of a day. Uh, for tomorrow, if you look at the pattern of Bank Nifty, it has kind of a form a W pattern. It has moved up. It is again looking possibly, we might either see a W pattern again forming, or it may even form a M pattern. So we will not be able to really judge how market can behave. It is all operator driven. However, being an expiry, we would definitely look at one is to two reward risk reward trades. So tomorrow we are looking at mostly on the long side basis the price action. Do join us if you want to have zero to hero trades. Last Friday we had 1 0 to hero. Let me just I think it was 43,800 if I'm right. Uh, let's look at the last expiry. So anyway, so we will look at expiry trades today, tomorrow again, and Wednesday being a holiday, there would be definitely a lot of possibly a lot of big movement on the market tomorrow. This is Bharti Airtel. If 850 call moves about 9.3, then I'm looking at targets of 12 to 14, and HDFC 27 HDFC Limited, if 2720 call moves above 16.95 or 17, then I'm looking at targets of 19 plus. BPCR slightly risk trade. If 360 put moves above 4.65, then targets of 6 to 7 can be expected. InterSend, I'm looking at the upper side. If 1310 call, this moves above 16.75, then I'm looking at targets of 20 plus. So this is the stocks, and I request we will be looking at Torrent Pharma. 81860 call moves about 25.3, then targets of 30 can be expected. Manappuram also looks positive. We might see a positive rally in Manappuram. Basically, maybe the targets of 135, 140 plus can be seen. And Tata Motors has been doing extremely well. It has, though it dipped a little bit, it is again moving to upside. And one may look to add this for short term to long term targets of 600 plus. So thank you all for your likes. I'm sure I would be getting good likes here, and most of the viewers are definitely been profitable. Please do also share our channel. Once we cross the 1,000, we would also share simple price action strategies. I will start a series where, of how to look at charts without indicators, and what indicators actually helps or not helps. We will also look at that. So take care. Happy